Okay, you have your cabinet selected to put all your stuff in. You have your floor selected so that you can walk on it. But a kitchen, after all, is all about cooking. So the number 3 decision you'll need to make is choosing the right appliances. Now that used to be fairly easy because it used to be all you had to worry about is whether or not you wanted avocado or harvest gold finish. But things, again, have changed a lot.
When it comes to appliances, it all comes down to budget, really. It's a budget question. There's always the basic appliances, like, for example, white. I don't like white. I don't like the dimples. I never have liked the dimples. In one of my own houses, I put plexiglass panels over a black dimpled refrigerator just to hide it, and it gave it a much sleeker look. But, you know, stainless steel is always going to reign supreme. It works really well in all situations, high-end, low-end. I think the budget has to be really considered with appliances, because how many of us really are gourmet cooks? I mean, be truthful. And I would hate to see someone sacrifice in other areas of the kitchen to buy that $6,000 range when really probably a $1,200 one might work just great for them. It just really depends. I will give you a secret to keep your stainless steel clean and looking good. Use just a little bit of baby oil and a soft cloth, and that works great, better than any of those fancy expensive cleaners you might buy at the grocery store.